Hello everyone, welcome to Rapid Gyan. So today I'm going to teach you the three mathematical tricks. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the three maths trick which will help you to find the square of numbers. So your first trick is to find the square of a number whose unit digit is 5. Square of a number means find the square of all kinds of number whose unit digit is 5. For example, suppose you will have to find 25 square, 65 square, 95 square. So these kind of numbers. So you will, so first trick I'm going to tell you this. In this video, second trick which I will be telling you is to find the square of a number which is less than 100. Square of any number which is less than 100 but nearer to 100. But nearer to 100. What do you mean by nearer to 100? Means the numbers from 91 to 99. So I'm going to tell you the tricks to find the square of these numbers. Again, I'm going to tell you the trick of finding your third trick will be finding the square of a number which is more than 100 again but nearer to 100. Means I will tell you the trick to find the square of a number from 101 to 109. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover these three tricks. So guys, it's a humble request that at the end, if you like this video, please share your thoughts in the comment section, and also please support us by subscribing the channel, because your like, comment, subscription will motivate us to make more videos which is going to help you and your kids. So guys, please like the video, comment in the video section your thoughts, and please subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start with the first trick. So I will just highlight. Okay, so this is your trick one. So what was your trick one? I told you that I will teach you to find the square of a number whose unit digit is 5. So how you are going, suppose you will have to find 35 square beta. Okay, what you will have to find? 35 square. So what we will do? First find the square of 5. So you know square of 5 is 25. Square of 5 is 25. Then what will you do? What, check this number is 3. So means multiply 3 with one number greater than 3, means 4. So 3 4 ja 12. So your 35 square is 12225. Okay, next one is your beta 45 square, suppose. So again 5 square is 25, and then what you will have to do beta? This is 4 and one number greater than 4 is 5. So 4 times 5, 4 times 5 will give you 20. So square of 45 square is 2025. Let's take some bigger number. Like suppose you will have to find the square of 95 square. Okay, what will you do beta? 5 square 25, 9, find one number greater than 9. So 9 multiplied by 10, which is 90. So 95 square will be equal to 9025. Similarly, you can use this trick to find the bigger numbers also. For example, suppose you will have to find the trick of 125 square. So again beta same thing, 5 square 25. This is your 12. One number greater than 12 is 13, means 12 times 13. So 12 times 13 is your 156. So your answer will be 15625. So hope you guys understand this trick. So see beta, you are not going to memorize this trick just by watching this video of 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You will have to do practice. Okay, so please guys, go and solve or do the practice as much as you can. Start using this trick in your daily life, so that only you will be able to memorize this trick. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the second trick. What was my second trick? Second trick I have told you to find the square of a number which is less than 100 and nearer to 100. Means now suppose you will have to find the square of square of 98. So what you will have to do, remember better, listen very carefully. 98, first find it that this 98 is, do like this, 100 minus 98. What will you get? You will get 2, correct? What you will have to do first? Subtract this 98 from 100. So if you subtract this 98 from 100, you will get 2. So find the square of 2. So if you find the square of 2, you will get 4. Please make sure to write the square in 2 digits. Means this is 4, so this will become your 04. Okay. and then what you will have to do, this 2, subtract this 2 from 98. So if you subtract 2 from 98, what you will get? 98 minus 2, which is 96. So you will get 96. That's the square of 98. Understand? Let's take any other example. Let's find the square of 94. Okay. So first step, what you will have to do, beta? 100 minus 94. So 100 minus 94 will give you 6. So then next step is you will have to find 6 square. 6 square is 36. Next step, subtract 6 from 94. So if you are going to subtract 6 from 94, what will you get? You will get 88. Correct? So your answer will be 8836. You want, you can check the answer with calculator. So your answer will be 8836. So this was your trick number 2, to find the square of a number which is less than 100. Hope you guys understand this. Okay. Also, please do practice. I am telling you, and keep using this trick in your daily life. Then only you will be able to memorize it. Otherwise, today you will watch the video, tomorrow you will forget it. Okay. Now I am going to tell you the next trick, which was the third trick. What was my third trick, beta? So third trick was to find the square of a number which is greater than 100, and nearer to 100, means from 101 to 109. Okay, so here also take any number, but I am going to take 102. I will have to find the square of 102. So here also you will have to do the same thing, like similar thing whatever you have done in your previous trick. Okay, so similar thing, just instead of here we are subtracting it, here what we are doing, we were subtracting, there we will have to add. So first thing, that first find out this 102 is 2 more than 100. What will you have to do? Like 102 minus 100, what will you get, beta? 2. In the last trick, what you are doing? You are subtracting the number from 100. Here you are subtracting 100 from the number. See here, beta? Here what are you doing? You are subtracting the number from 100, and in this case you are subtracting 100 from the numbers. You will get 2. Again the same thing, 2 square you will have to write 04 instead of 4. What you will write? 04. And then what's this number? 102. So here what you will do? 102 plus 2. Here what will you do? You will add that number. So if you add, you will get 104. Write it over here, 104. That's your answer. That's your answer. Here what you are doing? You are subtracting. Correct? In this case, you are just adding. Let's take one more example. Let me talk about 104 square. So what is your 104 square, beta? So again, 104 minus 100. See, here I am writing it just to showcase you. But you know that 104 minus 100 is 4. No need to solve it on any question paper. It's very simple. 104 minus 100 is 4. Correct? And what's the 4 square? 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. Then what you will have to do? Add 4 in 104. Means 104 plus 4, which will give you 108. Write it over here. 108. That's your answer. Okay. So hope you guys understand these 3 tricks. Guys, please go and practice the question on these 3 tricks. In my next video, I will come up with more mathematical tricks. Till then, please go and please like my video. Please comment on this, your views, and please subscribe the channel.